Continues through Labor Day, and there's so much to see and do for the entire family. And 3 of the stars of the fair are here every single day. Let's take a look as we go to that. There they are. Look at that. Sam Ella. There's Sue Anderson. There's, well, you can't see them, but right now, it's the third one to go in. These little babies. That was Snoop Hoggy Hog and their hammy friends. It's Robinson's Big Paddling Porkers. And that is just, they're performing every single day. There are crowds lining up all the time to see these little babies race around, and they're loved by their owners. It's just really a thrill to see. There's the big ones, and there's Mom and Pop. I think that was Snoop Hogg. One thing you don't want to say to them in front of them is the B word. Never say bacon. But we're cooking things up live right here at the Great Allentown Fair. A little soggy, and everyone's coming out to see Toby Keith tonight. We hope to see you here at the Great Allentown Fair before the weekend is over. Reporting live, I'm Kathy Crane. Back to you, Win.